सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। करे हवाएं रंग बिरंगी, कितनी चुनरियां उड़ उड़ जाएं। पनघट पर पनहारन जब गगरी भरने आए, मधुर मधुर तानों में कहीं बंसी कोई बजाए। न सुन लो कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी, कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा।
आज स्टेज पर टैलेंट ऐसे फूटेगा जैसे रिजल्ट वाले दिन टीचर की आवाज
दिखाते हैं। कभी रंग बनकर, कभी सरगम, कभी नृत्य और कभी उत्साह की बिजली।
इस शाम का हर पल मेहनत से सजा है,
ख्वाबों से महका है
और उम्मीदों की चमक से चमका है।
You know it's annual day when parents arrive 30 minutes early, students arrive 30 minutes late.
Boys and girls,
Dreamers and believers,
dear audience, fasten your seat belts.
switch off your worries and turn on your smile.
Because the annual function 2025 is now ready to begin.
हम शुरुआत करते हैं
And heart-touching evening right here, right now. Annual forever.
Now we would like to hand over the mic to our fellow co-anchors for further proceedings. Enjoy the evening.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Grace this campus with his presence.
जी हाँ, हर मेहमान हमारे लिए चांद की रोशनी जैसा है। जहाँ वो बैठ जाए माहौल खुद ब खुद चमक उठता है।
Yes, cause our chief guest is tonight.
Dear audience, some guests bring charm, some bring inspiration, and some bring wisdom. But our chief guests bring all three, packed with humanity and a warm smile.
And trust me, when he entered, even our sound system stopped crackling out of respect. I haven't seen such a discipline,
since my last maths test.
So, with heart full of respect and applause, tinted to brass like Diwali crackers, we feel honored to once again welcome our group captain, Mr. Deepak Ahluwalia, who has taken time out of his busy schedule to bless our graceful presence. Please give a huge round of
Your
applause.
achievements motivates us, and your presence today adds grandeur to our annual function. Also, a very eminent founder of our institution and father of also an incredible personality, MC of Asan and ex-vice chairman of Municipal Committee Asan, Sri Sandesh Jindal-ji has also arrived to grace the event and bless us. Thank you so much, sir, for your arrival.
Furthermore, we would also like to welcome our esteemed dignitaries, Honorable CA, Mr. Mukesh Bansal sir, Honorable Mr. Kapil Gupta sir, respected Principal Ms. Sonika Rai ma'am, respected Principal of Max Gurukul Mr. Harish Bhatwa sir, our worthy mentor Man sir.
A very warm and heartful welcome to the international kabaddi player Mr. Narendra Kandola ji. He was the part of the Indian team that won the gold medal at 2023 Junior World Kabaddi Championship. Thank you, sir, for gracing this occasion.
Please give a huge round of applause, please.
We couldn't gather here without their bliss. Join us with the warmest smiles and the loudest claps
As we welcome our esteemed chief guests and respected dignitaries to this glorious evening, we extend our warmest welcome. Our request our dignified chairman, Mr. Mukesh Bansal sir, to kindly come forward and present the sapling to our chief guest. A huge round of applause.
VSM recipient group captain Mr. Deepak Ahluwalia was a highly decorated operations, administration, large-scale sports, man by exemplary leadership, a proven strategist with an unparalleled ability to conceptualize, fundraise, and execute.
Mr. Harish Bhatwa sir, to kindly come forward and present the sapling to Shri Ratan Bansal sir and Srimati Urmila Bansal ji. Please give a huge round of applause.
आज इस पवित्र परंपरा से हम ज्ञान की रोशनी को प्रणाम करते हैं. Let us invoke the divine blessings to ensure that our event is filled with knowledge, harmony, and positivity.
Light is a symbol of hope, wisdom, and new beginning.
With great respect, I kindly request our honorable chief guest,
I also invite our dignified members of management, esteemed Principal Ma'am, respected Principal of Max Gurukul, and William.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारा या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा विचारसार परमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने सां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम् पद्मासना
that needs no translation, the rhythm that needs no explanation, and the power is today. True, Anshika, our talented school orchestra is all set to take you on a magical musical journey. Their instrument may be different, but when they play together, it feels like one heartbeat.
So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready as the budding musicians of Max International tune their violins, guitars.
Thank
अब कैसा है कैसा परिणाम है, धरती अंबर सितारे है, उसकी नजरें उतारे पर भी उससे नाराज है, जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा। देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश। तेरी भक्ति का वरदान है, जो कमाए वो धनवान है, दिल की राहे की कश्ती है वो, देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है। यूं तो मुश्किल सवारी तेरी, सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी, पाप की आंधियां ना उठा, कभी ज्योति न हारी तेरी, अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, भूल के ये जहां रे, साथ पाया तेरा। देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
Discipline and guiding this journey with commitment and dedication is our respected principal ma'am, the torch bearer of our institution.
Now, I request our principal ma'am to kindly grace the dais and present the annual report, which reflects the academic achievements, co-curricular accomplishments, and the holistic growth of our students during the past academic year.
Dear audience, please put your hands together and get ready to be amazed by the awesome, shining annual reports of the past academic year. Give a warm round of applause as we welcome our respected principal.
Namaskar and a very warm and proud good evening to one and all present here. Today, we gather New India. This theme beautifully reflects the journey of our nation. How India is rising with confidence and courage in every sphere of life. From remarkable advancements in science and technology, unprecedented achievements in sports, The inspiring rise of women in India today stands tall on the global platform while proudly preserving its rich cultural and heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening is a celebration of that very spirit. Our students will not only showcase their immense creative potential through vibrant performances, but today also marks a moment of academic and sports recognitions where achievers will be honored for their dedication, discipline and excellence. Mr. Deepak Ahluwalia ji, an illustrious officer of Indian Air Force and a Vishisht Seva Medal recipient honored by the Honorable President of India. Group Captain Ahluwalia's life journey reflects unwavering commitment, courage, discipline and service to the nation. His presence today has truly elevated the spirit of this occasion. One can feel the excitement and inspiration among the students, especially those performing today, who look up to him as a role model of determination and excellence. Sir, your august presence has filled this gathering with pride and patriotic fervor. We are deeply grateful to you for being with us and for inspiring our young minds to dream big, work hard, and serve the nation with integrity. Max International School stands on the strong foundation laid by our revered founders, Shri Ratan Lal Bansal ji and Shri Sansar Chand Gupta ji, visionaries who believe that education is not merely about marks, but about values, character and purpose. Carrying forward this noble legacy, their sons, Shri Mukesh Bansal ji and Shri Kapil Gupta ji, transformed this vision into reality by establishing Max International School and Max the Gurukul with a clear mission to nurture responsible citizens, confident leaders and compassionate human beings through value-based education. The remarkable progress of our school stands as a true reflection of the unwavering dedication, infatigable zeal, far-sighted vision of our esteemed management. With relentless efforts, strategic planning, and a deep-rooted commitment to holistic education, the management continues to steer the institution towards excellence, innovation, and nation building. Their tireless work in strengthening academic standards, nurturing values, and creating future-ready students has earned widespread recognition on prestigious platforms across the country. The management has been honored by the Hindustan Times with the Best Academic School Award, acknowledging their exemplary contribution to academic excellence. The Global Foundation of Early Childhood Conclave held in Goa, the school was conferred with the Best School Award, celebrating its progressive approach to early education. The AIPA organization recognized the management for their outstanding work in the field of education, while the PSCWA Chennai acknowledged their visionary leadership transforming initiatives. Yet another feather to the cap, the Amar Ujala Group bestowed the Best Gurukul School Award upon the MEX, the Gurukul School, affirming the institution's commitment to blending traditional values with modern education. These accolades are not merely awards, but a testimony to the management's passion, perseverance, and purposeful leadership. Their vision continues to inspire the entire school fraternity to strive higher, bigger, and work collectively towards shaping responsible, competent, value-driven global citizens. From humble beginnings to its present stature, Max International School has grown steadily, touching new heights each year and making its mark across academics, sports, co-curricular activities, and competitive examinations. Academics remain the backbone of our institution. We are proud to announce 100% CBSE results in both class 10 and class 12, with students passing with flying colors. To honor the hard work and merit, the school awarded scholarships worth rupees 10 lakhs to deserving students of class 10 and class 12. This initiative reflects our belief that excellence must always be acknowledged and celebrated. I would want you to know about the Max Blooming era, which is nurturing the future. Our kindergarten and primary wing, Max Blooming era, has introduced a thoughtfully designed curriculum called Kinder Magic for nursery to grade 2, which is aligned with NEP 2020 and NCF. The curriculum focuses on play-based and experiential learning, foundational literacy and numeracy, creativity, curiosity and confidence. It also focuses on emotional, social and moral development of the students. Here learning is joyful, meaningful and deeply rooted in values, ensuring a strong foundation for lifelong learning. Sports, the pride for Max International. Sports is an area where Max International School shines with immense pride. This year, more than 150 students participated at the zonal and state level sports, and over 40 students brought laurels at the state and national levels to us, making not only the school but also their families immensely proud. These achievements are a testament to discipline, perseverance, teamwork and the never give up spirit we instill in our students. The school proudly acknowledges and celebrates every young sportsman who has won the Max badge with honor. Our co-curricular excellence talks with confidence and creativity. Our students actively participate in a wide range of co-curricular activities, including debates and declamations, poetic narrations and recitations, Rangoli and art competitions, and music, dance and theatre. They have consistently earned positions, accolades and recognitions, proving that confidence, creativity and communication skills are as vital as academics. Our students truly make us proud by representing the school with grace and excellence. We have also started with Abacus and Olympiad classes. The students enrolled in Abacus classes have demonstrated exceptional mental ability and focus, performing remarkably well in competitions. And very soon, our students will be representing the school at international level Abacus competitions. The school has set high benchmarks at Olympiads also, whether it be international or national Olympiads, namely the English Olympiad, Mathematics, Social Science, Commerce Olympiad, Science Olympiad and GK Olympiad. As you all know that we have started with the Pro Max classes which prepare students for the competitive success. Through these Pro Max classes, the school is doing exceptionally well in preparing the students for competitive examinations like JEE and NEET. With result-proven, expert faculty, innovative pedagogy, small size batches, and all India testing patterns, students are trained to face competition with confidence. We are hopeful of excellent results in the coming year. And you must be happy to know that we are soon planning to have classes for CLAT and IPMAT. All this that I've talked about, none of this would be possible without our dedicated and well-trained faculty, whose innovative teaching methodologies make learning engaging, interactive, and meaningful. Their tireless efforts truly shape the teaching-learning process. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our dear parents, whose constant support and trust empower us to shape the future and personality of our children. This strong partnership between the school and parents is a cornerstone of student success. As we celebrate the spirit of Udbhav, we reaffirm our commitment to nurturing young minds who will shape the new India with confidence, being compassionate, skilled, and value-driven. As I draw to the closure of my words, we move forward with gratitude, pride, and renewed determination to touch greater heights. Thank you.
Ma'am, through this annual report, we witnessed the milestones achieved.
आइए आपको दिखाता हूँ।
हमारे अंश से टूट गया, सारे देश में मायूसी छा गई, लेकिन फिर भी हमारे वैज्ञानिकों ने हार नहीं मानी। उन्होंने ठान लिया, जीतेगा इंडिया, जीतेगा। सर, हम चंद्रयान 3 के लिए तैयार हैं, तो लॉन्चिंग शुरू किया जाए।
4, 3, 2, 1।
ट्राई किया, लेकिन इंडिया ने जैसे इतने कम बजट में इसे सक्सेसफुल किया, ये तो पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए शॉकिंग न्यूज़ है।
मैं ये नया भारत देखकर बहुत खुश हो रही हूँ।
आई एम लविंग इट। जी हाँ, जैसे आप लोग इंडिया की तरक्की देखकर खुश हो रहे हैं, वैसे ही पूरा इंडिया भी झूम उठा है। आइए दिखाती हूँ।
जूम तो करूँगी।
नजर नहीं लग जाए, सुनी थोड़ा हलवे हलवे चलो, कोई मोच नहीं पड़ जाए।
यानी स्पोर्ट्स में भी पीछे नहीं है। क्या आप नीरज चोपड़ा के बारे में जानते हैं?
हाँ, आई नो नीरज चोपड़ा। मैंने उनका नाम सुना है। वो पिछले साल ओलंपिक्स में इंडिया के लिए मेडल लाए थे।
आइए अब मैं आपको नीरज चोपड़ा के बारे में कुछ बातें बताता हूँ।
जूनियर एशियन चैंपियनशिप और साउथ एशियन गेम्स में बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन के बाद नीरज से रियो ओलंपिक्स में बड़ी आशाएं।
And the news is just in. Neeraj fails to go beyond the qualification mark.
Neeraj could not clear the Indian jump. जैवलिन चैंपियन नीरज चोपड़ा नहीं जा पाएंगे रियो ओलंपिक्स। क्या हुआ? अब आगे क्या? जिंदगी में आगे क्या होने वाला है वो हमारे कंट्रोल में तो है नहीं।
लेकिन आज क्या करेंगे उस पे है। तो आज तैयारी करते हैं कल की जीत के लिए।
कर जा अब, लड़ जा अब, बाकी कुछ मत रख, जितना भी है दम झोंक दे सब, मुट्ठी बना के दे, घुमा के चट्टानों पे छक्के छुड़ा दे, जितना भी है दम झोंक दे सब, किस्मत के इन तारों को दिन में तारे दिखा दे, अपने मुकद्दर का अब तू ही रब है।
और एक और बड़ी और अच्छी खबर ओलंपिक्स आ रही है, वो आपको बता दें। ओलंपिक में भारत के लिए सुबह खुशखबरी मिली है। जैवलिन थ्रो यानी भाला फेंकने में भारत के नीरज चोपड़ा ने क्वालिफाइंग राउंड में टॉप किया है। नीरज ने 86.6 मीटर भाला फेंककर फाइनल में जगह अपनी पक्की कर ली है। अब 7 अगस्त को जैवलिन थ्रो का फाइनल होगा, जिसमें उम्मीद यही रहेगी कि नीरज चोपड़ा इसी तरह से अपना अच्छा प्रदर्शन बरकरार रखे और देश के लिए मेडल जरूर लेकर आए।
मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ, सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में, मैं देशभक्त भी कह रहा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा।
अंबर हेठा इत्थे हर रुत हसदी हो, किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा। धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। ओ मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है, ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हमें नाज है, चाहे ना हमको दे ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना, यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले।
शुक्रिया मैम। जैसे आपने हमारे लड़कों के बारे में बात करी है, हमारे देश के युवा बहुत अच्छे से ट्रैक पर चल रहे हैं। उसी प्रकार से बताना चाहूंगी कि
हमारे देश की छोरियां भी छोड़ो ते कम है के।
What is this chora choria? Wait, let me show you something.
के झुंड आज चंद्र की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज चंद्र की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी के तुम गुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। विश्व की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
What a beautiful blend of rhythm, grace. That was an amazing performance. Audience, please give a huge round of applause.
आपके इंडिया में इतनी टैलेंटेड वुमेन जिन्होंने बड़े बड़े मिशन बड़ी आसानी से कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं।
ये तो हमारे देश की वो बेटियां हैं जिन पर पूरा इंडिया तो गर्व करता ही है, बल्कि पूरे विश्व में इनके बारे में बातें की जाती हैं। आइए दिखाती हूँ कैसे हमारी बेटियां स्पोर्ट्स में भी कम नहीं हैं।
It is the World Cup final between India and Australia. That's huge. That is a biggie. It's over. And India will finish with 240.
Chagos on shore. That's cleared everything comfortably. 11 overs have been bowled, 60.
Wrong answer. Raise your hand. Pushpa is the wrong answer. Nobody knows. The answer is Amar Prem.
The next one is a bit easy. कितने आदमी थे? This dialogue is from which film?
Yes, correct answer. Uncle is very intelligent, I think.
The next question is, picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. This dialogue is from which movie? Anyone? Yes, the answer is correct. Om Shanti Om.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. यस, कैमरा जूम करो, हीरो मूवमेंट चल रहा है अंकल का.
Next question is, एक चुटकी की सिंदूर तुम क्या जानो?
यस, करेक्ट आंसर. हम जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू हो जाती है. एनीबॉडी? अंकल सारे आंसर दिए जा रहे हैं. ऑडियंस प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट. नो, रॉन्ग आंसर बाय द अंकल. KGF चैप्टर 2.
Next question is, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. This dialogue is from which movie? Yes, the correct answer is Chakri Man.
इजी थे, बस 90s में पैदा होना जरूरी था. क्लैप्स बता रही थी, मूवी सभी ने देखी है. आई थिंक बिलोंग नहीं करती थी, पेरेंट्स ने नहीं देखी. अब पारी है आपकी जुबान की परीक्षा की. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप तेज हो,
You will get one tongue twister. You will say it 3 times continuously.
Can I have one brave volunteer from this side? Anybody is interested? Please raise your hand. Audience, please participate. Is anybody interested in tongue twister? Are you interested? चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक पर चटनी चटाई. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां. खड़क. Even I'm not able to speak. Which one you will prefer? Nobody. You can take this from me and then you can speak if you want. You want to participate? Which one you will prefer? Khadak Singh. Okay.
खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां. खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां. खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह.
You done very good. Does anybody else want to participate? Efforts and determination. Today we proudly facilitate our achievers who have shown commendable dedication and consistency.
I also request our esteemed chief guest, Group Captain Mr. Deepak Ahluwalia sir, to please come forward for the felicitation of achievers to and present their memo. Son of Mr. Manoj,
daughter of Mr. Pradeep Kumar, Manya Mehta, daughter of Mr. Anil Mehta, Nimrat Kaur, daughter of Mr. Manpreet Singh, Sahajpreet, daughter of Mr.
थोड़ी पीछा बस बस नहीं तो बना लूँगा मैं थोड़ा
daughter of Mr. Gurlal Singh, Parneet Chaudhary, daughter of Mr. Sunil Chaudhary, Kevin, son of Mr. Vimal Pasricha, Yashika, daughter of Mr. Tejbir Singh, Avni, daughter of Mr. Bhupinder Kumar, Sehbjot, daughter of Mr. Harvinder Singh, Parisha, daughter of Mr. Vipin Mittal, Abhimanyu, son of Mr.
Mr. Janpal Singh, Yashreet Kaur, daughter of Mr. Mustan Singh, Anshika Garg, daughter of Mr. Ravi Garg, Sahajpreet Kaur, daughter of Mr. Gurjeet Singh, Ananya, daughter of Mr. Sandeep Kumar, Ashneet Kaur, daughter of Mr. Narveer Singh, Gurmanat Kaur, daughter of Mr. Gurjot Singh, Ekamdeep, daughter of Mr. Gurpreet.
Congratulations to the proud parents. Don't they deserve the thunder of your
साइड खाली है हाँ हाँ लिख दे एक मिनट होल्ड रखिए होल्ड रख
Simranpreet, daughter of Mr. Jitendra Singh, Harchio, son of Mr. Vikas Pradhan, Riya Mangla, daughter of Mr. Vinod Kumar. Congratulations to the proud parent and all my fellow mates.
I think audience आप लोग को सबको ठंड लग रही है. You are sitting like this. Cannot you clap for your kids? Yes, audience. They are our kids.
Rana Dev Pratap, son of Mr. Azad Singh, Sanvi, daughter of Mr. Ajay Mehta, Ravi, daughter of Mr. Ashwini Verma, Vanshu, son of Mr. Sanjay, Aryan, son of Mr. Vikram Singh, Daljit, daughter of Mr. Mahendra Singh, Akshita, daughter of Mr. Ashok Kumar, Abhijot Singh, son of Mr. Nawab Singh, Vineet, son of Mr. Shishpal, Yashika, daughter of Mr. Vikas, Utsav, son of Mr. Hari Shankar,
Congratulations to the proud parents. Audience, please cheer them up with their valuable claps. Yes, put your hands together for our young achievers. Please put your hands together.
बच्चों यहाँ पे देखो बेटे.
Now it's class 11. Mehak, daughter of Mr. Atul Kumar. Palak, daughter of Mr. Shishpal. Khyati, daughter of Mr. Vishal Arora. Jasmine Kaur, daughter of Mr. Navdeep Singh. Yatish, son of Mr. Rajiv Kumar. Ritu, daughter of Mr. Anil Kumar. Khushpreet Kaur, daughter of Mr. Satwant Singh. Noordeep, daughter of Mr. Bhuvat Singh. Samreen,
Look here, सामने.
please audience, show your energy. Give a huge round of applause. Sports play a vital role in shaping character, building confidence, and nurturing leadership. Our students have made us proud through their excellence in sports and co-curricular activities. Now, I'd like to call state level champion in chess, and the name is Yatish Ahuja, son of Mr. Rajiv Kumar. Now it's time for netball state champion. And the name
Attention to the audience. Car number HR 40F 3336. Whomsoever it is, please keep presence also. Once again, clap for yourself, for your patience, for your grace, and you are gracing our event also. Clap for yourself, audience. Yes.
Now it's time. Daughter of Mr. Gurjeet Singh. Khushpreet, daughter of Mr. Satwant Singh. Gurneet, daughter of Mr. Sube Singh. Sunaina, daughter of Mr. Sanju. And for boxing, Purav Bhardwaj, son of Mr. Manish. For athletics, Kumkum, daughter of Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Gudrat, daughter of Mr. Dipu. Anshu, daughter of Mr. Jatinder Kumar. Preet, son of Mr. Joginder. Yuvraj, son of Mr. Yadvinder Singh. Smiksha, daughter of Mr. Joginder. Ashmeet Kaur, daughter of Mr. Shahjad Singh. Tanuj, son of Mr. Rajesh. Mayank, son of Mr. Narinder. Jaya, daughter of Mr. Kapil Dev.
This shows that we don't only have achievers in academics. We are having achievers in sports side also, and this year was commendable for the sports side.
बच्चों यहाँ पे देखो बेटे इस साइड।
Now we are having the participants of Netball Mahabom state level, and the names are Jasmine Kaur, daughter of Mr. Mandeep Singh, Abhijot Kaur, daughter of Mr. Shansha Singh, Khushmeet Kaur, daughter of Mr. Makhan Singh. Now it's time.
थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ। पीछे मत आओ, साइड में आ जाओ। गाड़ी में भाई बुढ़ी यहाँ पे देखो।
Our bright stars of class 10th and plus 2 whose hard work and dedication have set an example for all. Now it's time to call our shining stars who have brought laurels. Students of class 10th and plus 2, please come forward with your parents.
I would like to request the parents of Dhriti to join on the stage, please. Congratulations, ma'am. Please join on the stage with Dhriti. It's a proud moment for us. Congratulations. Whomsoever name is called now, that must accompany, parents must accompany their students on the stage, please. Next name is Mehak. Parents of Mehak from class 10. Seenam.
Sir. Ma'am, look here, सामने।
After that, Swastika's parents. Tushar, Sagar, Diya, Sujal, Aishika, Yashdeep and Kanishka. Parents, please be ready. Please come forward to accompany. I would like to call the parents of Mehak Goyal on the stage. After that, Seenam, Swastika, Tushar, Sagar, Diya, Sujal, Aishika, Yashdeep and Kanishka. Parents, please come forward near the stage.
I request to the parents of Seenam to please be ready.
Swastika parents, please be ready.
इस कैमरे में सर
Come
सामने।
forward near the stage.
Wait. Thank you.
Seenam, daughter of Mr. Devendra Singh. Please come on the stage.
Our next student is Swastika. I would like to request Swastika's parent, please come near the stage. Tushar, next name is Tushar, please. Tushar's parent, please come near the stage. It's a proud moment for the parents.
थोड़ा सा आगे आइए सर, थोड़ा सा आगे। लाइट ऑन करिए दोस्तों, लाइट बंद कर ले भाई। एक मिनट होगा सर, तो एक बार समझा है सर। बढ़िया, सामने इधर देखिए भाई, वेट सामने। थैंक यू।
Tushar, son of Mr. Satish.
सर थोड़ा सा आगे आइए सर, थोड़ा सा आगे आइए सर। सर मैम सामने लुक हियर। सामने सर।
Parents of Dia, please get ready.
यहाँ देखिए सर। यहाँ देखिए सर, सर सामने सर।
I would like to request to the parents.
Pooja, daughter of Mr. Virendra.
Anshika, Yashdeep, Yashdeep, parents of Yashdeep, please come.
बस बस, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Anshika, daughter of Mr.
I would like to request the parents of Yashdeep, please accompany her on the stage. Yashdeep parents, please come near the stage. Parents of Kanishka, if present here, then please come near the stage. Parents of Kanishka.
Kanishka, daughter of Mr. Lalit.
सर यहाँ सर प्लीज।
Now it's time for I request Jasmine's parents to please come forward. For next, the parents of Rakshit, please be ready.
सर 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 सामने Look here, sir. Wait.
I would like to request Janvi's guardians, please come on the stage to take the reward. As Janvi is not present here.
I request Arshdeep.
सर सामने
Bhumika's parents, please come near the stage.
Bhumika, daughter of Mr. Harish Kumar.
Her guardians are taking a reward. I would like to request Priya's guardians or Priya's parents.
Look here,
I
sir.
request all the audience to please give a huge round of applause to all the achievers.
But we can cheer them with our claps. That is much required.
Not just about earning success. It is about recognizing effort, nurturing motivation, and spreading inspiration.
सर थोड़ा सा साइड पे ना कौन सी वाली बला
Thank you.
अच्छा वो उसकी है आसू फैशन की
We would like to thank our chief guest for this kind gesture. Ladies and gentlemen, a moment of honor and gratitude awaits